Welcome to ISL enabled virtual lab of CSIR.
Next is CR, which means critically endangered. The animals in this species would have only 200 to 300 individuals left. EW means extinct in the wild. The animals in this particular species may have only 50 or some very minimal numbers left. And last is extinct, that means this particular animal has been wiped off from the face of planet Earth. So these 9 parameters help us understand the rate of decline of a particular species, and this kind of data can be used for conservation strategies by the world as well as our country. How are indirect evidences analyzed to study the conservation status of snow leopard? Let me answer that. First, scats, that means animal dropping of the snow leopard, is collected by the researcher. Next, the animal droppings are used for DNA analysis, which is carried out by the WII or the Wildlife Institute of India in Dehradun. After the analysis, confirmatory results are obtained and the data is used to update the conservation status of the species. What is the current population of snow leopards? There are only 450 to 500 individual snow leopards left. Project Snow Leopard is the program implemented by the Ministry of Environment and Forests, Government of India, for the conservation of the species and its habitats. What are the threats to the population of snow leopard? First are the various development projects such as mining, hydroelectricity, and the impacts due to the building of roads and railways. Second threat is climate change. Rising temperature across the mountains of Central Asia due to greenhouse gases plays a major role in the reduction of the numbers of this animal. The third threat is poaching, which is the illegal hunting or capturing of wild animals for sale of their body parts, skin for various purposes. Then there are retaliatory killings, which means the human and wildlife conflict. For example, many times snow leopards are killed by local farmers because they prey on livestock. Habitat fragmentation is also a threat. The decline of habitat range of the snow leopard due to human settlement and increased use of grazing space. Snow leopards have to move about in search for a different habitat, which ultimately impacts their population and their numbers.